Let's now see some examples of exceptionally prestigious decorations that are obtained using a combination of Marmorino Classico and VELATURE by means of the use of particular application techniques. In order to obtain the perfect net effect, you must use a stainless steel trowel. 2 layers of Marmorino Classico are applied, one to prepare the base and one for the finish, and it is ready to use. You will need about 2.5 to 3 kilograms per square meter of finished work. First of all, thoroughly smooth out the base, achieving a raised layer that manages to cover roughness and which suitably evens up the substrate. After 12 hours, apply a further layer of Marmorino Classico in order to even out the thickness. To obtain the net effect, prepare a texture by means of the specific steel tooth tool. When it is dry, go ahead and make the surface area more regular using a stainless steel trowel. Apply VELATURE correctly and well diluted using a slightly damp sponge, passing it over the surface area in order to even up the color applied, avoiding any accumulation of material. To increase the product's working time, slightly dampen the surface area before sponging.